In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the background transparent in CapCut PC using the built-in cutout and remove background tools. This is a really useful trick if you want to remove a messy background from a video, place yourself on a new background, or create a clean, transparent look for editing, thumbnails, or social media content. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and you do not need any advanced editing skills to follow along. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more CapCut and video editing tips just like this. Now let's jump into it. First, open CapCut PC and load the project you want to work on. If you do not already have a project open, you can start a new one and import your media from your computer. Once your project is ready, bring in the video or image that you want to edit. You can usually do this by dragging the file directly into the media area or by using the import option inside CapCut. After that, drag the clip down onto the timeline so it becomes the active element in your project. This step is important because CapCut can only apply the background removal effect once the clip is placed in the timeline. Next, click on the clip in the timeline to make sure it is selected. When the clip is highlighted, look over to the right side panel. In most versions of CapCut PC, you will see editing options here for the selected media. Now open the video section and then look for cutout or remove BG depending on your version of CapCut. The wording can change slightly from update to update, but the feature is usually in the same general place. Once you find it, click on Auto Cutout or Auto Remove Background. CapCut will now process your clip and automatically separate the subject from the background. This may take a few moments depending on the length of the clip and the speed of your computer. While it is working, just let the software finish its analysis. When it is done, you should see the background removed from the clip, leaving only the main subject visible. If the subject looks good and the background is gone, then the effect has been applied successfully. From here, you can place a new background behind the clip, add graphics, or export the file depending on your goal. If you are using an image, the same idea applies, and CapCut can still help you isolate the subject for a cleaner, transparent style look. One thing to keep in mind is that some versions of CapCut may not export a fully transparent PNG style background from every type of project. So if your goal is to create a true transparent file, make sure you check your export settings and the type of media you are working with. For most editing workflows though, Auto Cutout is the fastest way to remove the background and get the clean result you want. So, to quickly recap, open your project, import your video or image, drag it to the timeline, select the clip, go to video, find cutout or remove BG, and click Auto Cutout or Auto Remove Background. After a short wait, CapCut will handle the rest for you. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.